This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS Company Mortgage Professionals.
Hey, good morning. I'm Jeff Farnham. Mortgage rates continue to hover near three-year lows, and purchase application demand has responded, rising steadily over the last 2 months to the highest year-over-year change since the fall of 2017. There's a clear firming of purchase demand that should translate into higher home sales in the second half of this year. For the week ending August 1st, the 30-year fixed-rate mortgage remained unchanged from the week before. The stabilization of mortgage rates over the last 2 months reflects the recovery and improvement in the economy from the uneasy feelings earlier in the year. Going forward, the combination of low mortgage rates, a tight labor market, and high consumer confidence should set up the housing market for continued improvement in home sales heading into late summer and early fall. So far, the drop resulted in an almost 12% increase in refinance applications, and those applications represented 54% of total applications week over week. We fully expect that the refinance volume will jump even higher in the following weeks given the further drop in rates. Home price acceleration has stabilized for a second consecutive month. The CoreLogic Home Price Index report shows that prices were up 3.4% year over year. Price growth continues to be faster for lower priced homes as first-time home buyers and investors are actively seeking entry-level homes. In a recent survey, 61% of those who said they intend to buy are first-timers. A nationwide poll also discovered that 40% of respondents said their personal finances or job stability was the most important influencer over their buying decision, beating the reason of having better interest rates. First-time home buyers are set to be active in the coming 12 months, according to the survey. As a matter of fact, the net share of Americans who say it's a good time to buy a home increased 3 percentage points. As mortgage rates have eased to help home affordability, now could be the best time to buy a home since early 2017. Despite the average home price rising by more than $12,000 since November, today's lower fixed rates have worked out to a little over $100 a month lower monthly payment when purchasing the average price home. Home buying power of first-time home buyers has been boosted by around 15% due to the lower rates, meaning they could effectively buy $45,000 more home while still keeping their payments the same as they would have been last fall. If you've been considering purchasing or refinancing your home, give JTS Company a call. We want to sit down and discuss your specific situation, your long-term goals, and determine what's the best approach for your mortgage. We want to help you. When it comes to getting a mortgage, it is one of the biggest expenses most people ever incur. While it's easy to find teaser rates and offers advertised by many, a true mortgage quote is based on a handful of variables that are unique to each buyer. There are several components to consider when choosing a lender and evaluating the price of a mortgage. The complexity of the mortgage process may keep you on the fence. That's when you should trust a local lender like JTS Company to help guide you through the mortgage maze. We take the time to listen and explain along the way. Our customer service, responsiveness, and overall communication throughout the process will help ease the stress of the situation. Whether you are a first-time home buyer, buying your next home, or need to refinance and have no idea how to get started, give JTS Company a call. We are local, trusted, and experienced, and we make homeownership easy. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to tune in next week.
This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS Company Mortgage Professionals.